So we out here harvesting our potatoes. Like, this is our first time. We tried it a good years ago, but it did not work. So look. Oh wow.
I think I would have got a better harvest if I didn't put it the whole
You think you got a better harvest?
yeah. Cause I used the whole potato instead. I cut it and chilled it.
Look at that though.
Yeah, but this the seed potato.
Well, that's the potato you use for the seed?
Yeah.
So what you gonna do with that?
Probably get us some chickens.
Oh, so we can't eat that?
Yeah, grab that. Could you grab that thing for me? The pitchfork.
So we can't eat that?
No, I don't think so. That's a little bit.
No.
See the I can get about 60. Realistic 20 pounds, but I think I'll be able to get 20 pounds.
And these two right here came from 2 plants?
Yeah, just 2 plants.
It's not bad. I've been looking forward for this moment. Now, can we eat it right off the roof, or we gotta wait?
That I do not know. Cause these are actually red potatoes.
That's the red potatoes.
It's a red potato. It's gonna get. See as the paint. These are red potatoes I planted right here because I only planted. I know I had a little short row.
So you only did one row.
I think now. Some of these are red potatoes. Some of them are white potatoes. Because I only got. I think it was only 5 pounds, or maybe 10, well, 5 pounds of red potatoes, and then I got 10 pounds of white potatoes. I should have got that the other way around. I should have got more red potatoes than white potatoes because we eat more red potatoes than white.
You're right, we do. You're right,
so,
we do.
But that's a lesson learned to next year.
So we want to know how to tell the difference then.
Yeah, you could tell.
But these must be
Tina,
Uh-huh.
could you grab me
A bucket or something?
yeah, so I can put these gloves in so they can put these chickens.